Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today, iba yung place, iba yung ambience. Today, we're gonna be having our first couples planning for 2024.
Couples annual planning.
Yeah, couples annual planning. If you are following me or you are subscribing in my channel, makikita nyo na nagkaroon kami, yung company namin nagkaroon ng annual planning last November. And 2 weeks ago, I think last week lang pala, no? Last week lang, Eric suggest na magkaroon kami ng kaming dalawa lang. Nag-agree kami na magkaroon ng ng place na pwede talagang makapag-usap or makapag-plan kasi minsan place matters eh. Yung ambience, kung ano man, kung saan kayo mag-uusap. Minsan nga the way kumbaga if you wanna make a decision, minsan nagmamatter kung nasaan ka, kung anong lugar yung nandoon ka para talagang mas makapag-decide ka. So naisip namin na mag-book na lang ng hotel near our place lang din. Pero make sure namin na susulitin namin to. So ano ba tong sinasabi namin na annual planning? Since this is our first time, so nagsulat pa ako kanina, kung makikita niyo yan, 2024 couples annual planning. So again, this is our first time. So yesterday or last night, nagsulat kami ng mga topics and ano ba talaga yung objective namin para sa planning na to. So the objectives are, so we have list down, I think this is 8. So basahin ko na lang. Number 1 is to have a clear duties and responsibilities kasi we have so many businesses na na-put up throughout the years. So parang ngayon, parang mas magkaroon ng clarity for both of us din ano yung mga duties and responsibilities kasi syempre may bahay, may negosyo, may mga tao, so kailangan namin maging mas clear doon kami sa mga responsibilidad na yun. So that's one. Number 2 is to set an expectation kasi 'di ba sometimes pag hindi tayo hindi clear sa both side, yung expectation na yun, yung minsan nagdudulot ng away or ng misunderstanding na minsan pag lumaki na naging mas malaking problema. So it's really important to set an expectation. And number 3 is to anticipate uncertain circumstances. Well, this is also the reason why we are planning sa business namin, kaya kami nagpa-plan kasi para kumbaga nagkakaroon na tayo ng kumbaga sa parating na bagyo, naghanda na tayo. So lagi namang ganun yung reason kung bakit tayo nagpa-plan ng mas maaga. And of course, another is to set a plan for our goal sa personal namin sa house. Kasi we really want to have a housing loan next year. Supposedly, this is this year na, pero yun, since medyo madaming mga kailangan pang unahin, kaya nag-set kami ng next year. And of course, para din ma-plan namin kung if we really want to travel for next year, dapat na ba or kailangan ba, what are the priorities. So isa yan sa mga objective na nilagay namin dito. And of course, lastly is, but I think there are so many objectives naman, pero ito lang din talaga yung iniisip namin last night. But last is to know the in and out of cash flow and to have a better understanding of our 2024 expenses. Sana mas maging professional kami sa planning na to. We know that this will help us throughout the year 2024, and we're planning na talagang gawin na namin to on a yearly basis, no?
Yeah.
Kaya ko po siya ni-vlog kasi I want you to be with us sa journey na to, kung ano yung magiging effect nito. Kasi baka mamaya yung ibang mga couples dyan na gusto ring magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng planning. Let's see. Pero ako, malaki yung paniniwala ko na magkakaroon tayo ng malaking impact, magandang impact sa business namin. Of course, hindi lang sa relasyon namin, kundi sa buong the entire businesses that we have. Yung topic namin pala, medyo madami kaming topic for today. we have the entire day to plan. So our topic is, of course, for the laundry, for the Seb Laundry yung ventures to Seb Equipment, with Seb Equipment, yung ownership, IEN, FBI, or the food business. Madami kaming plans doon, and opening a new company with new partners, and the financing, IEN Realty Services. Our IEN Realty Services kasi is a DTI registered. We are planning to transition into corporation, and of course lastly yung this is not the last, the integrated and effective navigation. Ito naman nakapag sobrang madali na lang nitong plan namin dito sa integrated, since parang all set na kami for 2024. So dinagdag lang namin yung personal topic, which is yung sa house, kay Seb, how to discipline, kasi Seb is turning 6 na next year, so unti-unti na siya nakakaintindi. Parang kumaga, we really want him to know or to have a better understanding yung paglaki niya, kasi parang syempre kami growing up, hindi naman kami tulad niya ngayon na para kasing siya ang bilis makuha ng mga bagay na nagugustuhan niya. So ayon naman din namin na ganun lang ang maisip niya. Gusto namin na lahat ng bagay na sa paligid niya, maintindihan niya na makukuha yon ng pinaghihirapan. Kasi yun naman talaga dapat. Kailangan namin siyang mas maturuan ng mas maayos. So kasama yun sa planning today. And of course, the IEN Builders. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang dami naming business na pinagtatayo. But yun, isa itong reason para talagang itong mga tinayo naming business na to mas magkaroon ng mas lumago pa, and kumbaga mas malid namin yung mga employees namin for the better. So, of course, hindi namin ipaparinig kung paano, kasi baka mamaya mag-away pala kami dito. Pero bablog ko pa din ng naka-time-lapse lang. Do you have something to say? Nothing. So, ako talaga yung masalita sa amin. So, come on guys.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back.
Kanina pala, nakalimutan ko, dinala ko talaga tong Boya microphone ko na to para magamit. And then, ang ending, hindi ko naman siya nagamit kanina. So, mapapansin nyo, iba yung boses ko kanina sa boses ko ngayon. Yung intro ko kanina. Intro pero 9 minutes yun. So, right now, the time is 5 or 10 minutes before 5. So, tatapusin namin to. We're down to the last 3 companies na planuhin before we go to our personal goals. Again, I am encouraging everyone to do this also. Kung meron, not necessarily may business or walang business. Kumbaga, everyone can do this with or without business. Kasi ang ganda niyang i-practice para magkaroon tayo ng better planned, better execution for our everyday life.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me
are done. It's 6:47 and siguro mga 6:45 kami natapos. Meaning, natapos na namin yung plans, na pag-usapan, yung topics, and yung duties and responsibilities. And later, lang namin, i-review na lang ulit siya. Pero yung detailed nung execution, yun yung gagawin na namin for next year. Tapos, napag-usapan namin na magkakaroon kami ng parang weekly assessment kung sa office meron kaming weekly meeting, may monthly meeting. So sa amin naman meron kaming weekly assessment kung talagang nagagawa namin yung mga plans na to. So I am very excited to share this journey with you. From time to time, I will be giving you an update through video, of course, kung meron ba kaming mga nagawa or hindi nagawa or effective ba to na ginawa namin since this is our first time. And hopefully for those who are in business or even not in business, you can also do this in your home or in yourself, whatever you wanna call it. Pero I think this is the best way for us to do better in our everyday living. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa lahat ng videos na ina-upload ko tulad nito. Thank you!
Bye!